Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text in Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now you can align text on this sheet. At first you have to select this multiple cell to drag on your mouse left button. Then go to home menu, then you can see here are align option. You can align left, align middle, align right, anything what you want. I align middle of this cell. Now you can see I align text in Excel spreadsheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.